Hey guys, MD here. Today we're making a low carb lasagna. Oh man, this is so good. Let me show you how we do it. Alright, we're going to start off with, we're going to do 1 pound of regular Italian sausage and then 1 pound of hot Italian sausage. Alright, it's time to add the marinara to this, but I don't want to put any tomato products in my cast iron to ruin the seasoning, so I'm going to transfer it to another container here, and we will mix the marinara in that one. That way, save my cast iron a bit, right? Here's what we're using for the pasta sauce here. We're using the no sugar added organic marinara. It's pretty good. Alright, so for our lasagna noodles, we're going to be using a head of cabbage. So I'm just going to cut the bottom of this off and kind of quarter it up just to make, lasagna noodle sized pieces of cabbage for this. So that's our goal. Now, a little trick when you're using cabbage as your pasta noodles, it's not going to cut like pasta, and when it's in its pan. So you want to make these a little bit smaller, so that way it's easier to kind of scoop out and serve, because these aren't going to, like I said, they're not going to slice like a pasta noodle when you're serving. All right, to prep the cabbage for our pasta noodles, we're just going to go ahead and kind of pre-boil them just to soften them up a bit. So when they are about the consistency you want, then you'll pull them out. No real time frame on this. This is about the consistency you're looking for, the tenderness. As you can see, it's almost translucent, not all the way, because we're still going to be baking this. But it's softer than what it was. Alright, let's go drain this off. Alright, it's all drained off. We're just going to go ahead and let this cool down just so we can work with it a little bit better. So, we'll let it sit for about 10 minutes. Alright, this is cool enough to the touch. We're going to go ahead and start spreading evenly a base layer of cabbage on the bottom, just like you would do any lasagna noodle. So, just kind of set it out just to cover that bottom. Alright, we'll add our first layer of the sausage and pasta sauce in here. Now we're going to go ahead and add our ricotta cheese. We're going to go ahead and add about just a handful of mozzarella and smoked provolone to this mix. Okay, and we're going to repeat the same process as we did just before. We're going to go ahead and put a layer down, put some more of the sausage and pasta sauce mix, and we'll be good to go. Just for a little color, we're going to add a little bit of sharp cheddar cheese on top. It's just for appearance purposes. We'll give it a little good flavor too. Alright, we're going to go ahead and bake this at about 375 for, I'd say, 20 minutes. Alright, let's cut this bad boy up. There we go. Alright guys, time for the best part, the taste test. Here we go. I topped it with the little Parmesan cheese. This is gonna be so good. The cabbage is cutting pretty easily, so that's a good sign. So let's go ahead and give it a try. Here we go. Oh, to be honest, it tastes like lasagna, guys. You get a little sweetness from that cabbage, but that's okay. It's real soft because I boiled it first and then I baked it. It came out to the right consistency. It's the right consistency of like a lasagna noodle. So it's right on par. If you're craving pasta, this is where you gotta go. Oh my God, this is good. This is really good. All right, guys, let's go for round 2. Here we go. Oh man, that is absolutely fantastic. You cannot go wrong if you're going for a low carb or keto diet. This is where it's at. Guys, give this a try. Absolutely outstanding. You're gonna love it. I promise. Well, if you liked the video, go ahead and hit that like button down below. And if you'd like, go ahead and hit the subscribe button as well, and you'll find more content just like this. And I would really appreciate it if you went and put a comment down below and let me know what you thought, what your favorite keto recipe is, or low carb recipe, something like that. This really hits it on the spot. I'd like to see what you guys are doing for it, because I always want more ideas and more stuff to help me out. I really appreciate it, guys. As always, get your families outdoors, and I'll catch you next time. Let's get some more of this.